So, my dear friends, what are the disadvantages of fossil fuels? What are fossil fuels? What are fossils? First of all, let us know about the fossils. What is a fossil? Fossil is a geological material obtained in the nature. Hundreds of years it undergoes sedimentation. Sedimentary. It takes its own time to form fossils. Dinosaurs fossils, some of the important fossils on earth, charcoal, coal and all, these are all the fossil fuels. The fossil fuels are non-renewable source of energy. If we were to consuming these sources at such as alarming rate, we would soon run out of energy. You know, my dear friends, these fossil fuels are formed long ago during the sedimentation process on the Earth's atmosphere, Earth's layers. Hence, this is a fuel, fossil fuel. If you go on taking or consuming or using the fuels, it exhausts. Therefore, fossil fuels are non-renewable sources of energy. Consuming these sources, or it will become empty one day or the another. For example, coal, petrol, natural gas, charcoal, all sedimentary fuels on the earth will be exhausted one day if you go on using the coal and other fossil fuels. And air pollution is caused by burning fossil fuels. If you burn the fuels, air pollution causes. The oxides of carbon, nitrogen and sulfur that are released on burning fossil fuels. Acidic oxides. This lead to acid rain which affects on our water and soil resources, and hence the thought to avoid fossil fuels so that the air pollution can be controlled. You know, my dear friends, if you burn diesel, petrol, you will get carbon dioxide. You know, my dear friends, today we are burning fossil fuels like petrol, coal and natural gas. It harms the layer of atmosphere. That is, it causes pollution. It causes toxicity increases in the atmosphere. Therefore, as far as possible, we are to avoid burning. That's why the solar energy is useful. Solar panels are coming nowadays to avoid pollution. The solar panels are able to give adequate energy for our using purpose. Therefore, this renewable energy as solar energy, because it is insufficient and will not harm atmosphere by generating pollution, free from pollution if we use the solar energy. Therefore, the toxins like carbon dioxide produced by burning these fuels produce greenhouse effect. What is greenhouse effect? The greenhouse effect is nothing but it causes pollution if you burn the fossil fuels. Okay, let us pass on to the next question. What kind of mirror, convex or concave or a plane, would be best suited for use in a solar cooker and why? You know, my dear friends, today we are using the solar energy in the advanced science and technology. Solar cookers are being used and we are using solar cookers. That means you are using solar energy. Mirrors. Mirrors. In the physics, we come across standard mirrors. Mirrors are polished materials on one surface, and they are classified into three: plane mirror, that is rectangular plane mirror, what we are using daily for our images when we are cutting, shaving shops, salons, and your beautiful faces you can see in the plane mirror. The second type of mirror is concave mirror, and the third type of mirror is convex mirror. What is a concave mirror? A concave mirror is a mirror which is bulged, and the reflecting surface is inner bulged, and the convex mirror is outer bulged. Now in the figure you can see the concave mirror is used as a reflector. The solar radiations falls on the reflecting concave mirror. The energy concentrates on the solar cooker and gets heated up. Spherical reflector, a type of solar cooker. That's why the concave mirrors are used for flashlight, telescope, car headlights, and solar ovens and solar cookers. So this is the importance of concave mirror. The concave mirrors and concave lenses are highly useful in physics and in modern instruments like telescope, flashlights, and the microscopes, compound microscopes, etc. The lenses, concave lenses and convex lenses are also used. So these are the very important concepts and the sources of energy, my dear friends. Well, what are the limitations of energy that can be obtained from the oceans is the question appearing in the examinations. It may be in the competitive examinations or PUC competitive examinations, SSLC competitive examinations. What are the limitations of the energy that can be obtained from the oceans? If you have seen oceans means the many waves, beautiful waves are coming on this one. The study of oceans is called oceanography. My dear friends, what is oceanography? Oceanography is nothing but the study of the oceans. Study of oceans, very important in oceanography. Tides, the ocean is having so many tides you will come across because of the wind energy. The blowing of wind energy, monsoons around the world, around the planet Earth, you will get the monsoons, waves. These wave energy causes many energetic waves. Tidal energy, they are called tidal energy, ebbs and tides. Tides, the tidal energy, wave energy, and ocean thermal energy. What is thermal energy? Thermo means heat. How you will get the heat? Heat you will get from the sun. That is solar energy again. So therefore, my dear friends, ocean thermal energy are the sources of energy that can be obtained from the oceans. The limitations, tidal energy, the locations where such dams can be built are limited. Wave energy would be a viable proposition only where waves are very strong. Ocean thermal energy, efficient commercial exploitation is difficult for this energy. Anyway, the thermal energy and the wave thermal energy are the wave energy which is used in different purposes. Ocean swell causes waves to rise and fall. The tides are ebbs and tides. So therefore, seabed will pump and the low pressure water return to ocean. High pressure water drives turbines. To get the turbines, from the turbines you will get the energy. Anyway, wave energy is useful to the science, human beings, and it is very, very important in physics or in science. Thank you for listening. Let us continue the question paper study of SSLC, PUC, and degree question papers one after another in the subject science. Like, share, and subscribe. See you.